Whoa, shit, fucking piece of the roof just went flying up in the air right onto the yellow warehouses. I mean, big piece. Where do you think you're going, idiot? Yeah, oh yeah, a big, look at that shit. A big piece of roof. It got so high it went up about 5 feet. Wow. Oh, that's big. Yeah. Oh, yeah. A big piece about 5 feet across went shooting up about 50 feet in the air and landed right on the other warehouses, burning like crazy.
What place caught on fire though?
I don't know, but that's about where the foam place is. And you look at that black smoke, I'm thinking it's Barco.
Oh, so it might be the foam place.
Yeah.
Oh, that place is going on.
Oh, yeah, that's going to go like, yeah, that's already
Oh,
going.
wow. That's insane. I hope everybody's all right.
Well, if they don't know there's a fire now, it's too late for them. Yeah, and there's pieces going all over the other warehouses across the street. Whoa! I hope I got that.
Oh, there's fires over here too?
Yeah, because pieces were flying over there.
I need for you guys to move. We have explosion. I need you guys to go that way, please. I need you guys to go this way. Go, go, go. Go. Go, go.
You got tanks of fucking chemicals they use at Barco. I think it's Barco, a foam place.
Hey, guys. You gotta get out.
That's where I work. I gotta stay here.
Let's go. It's
Yeah.
It's ready. You gotta try to report. Let's go.
No, I can't report.
Yeah.
Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah,
Let's go.
but
Let's
you,
go.
this is my place of business. That's why I'm here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Get in your vehicles and go. Come
Yeah,
on.
yeah, I don't have a vehicle to get into. This is
What-
where I work. I have
Okay.
to keep the
Could you
place.
guys walk out?
Okay.
Okay. Let's go. Come on,
Good.
boss man. Let's go.
Okay? No. You can't lawfully, legally,
Look,
do anything.
No, he can clear an area for safety, man.
Guys.
He can clear an area for safety. Don't get on your high horse.
Okay, my brother. I got you.
Don't tell me. Okay. Y'all sit down.
I'm going. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm good. Oh yeah, I'm good. They know they
Yeah,
can't-
all
they know
those
they make
chemicals
you do
in
it.
barco is probably going
Is
crazy.
that the where they make the
Foam.
the mattresses?
No, it's just foam for packing material and stuff
Oh
like that.
man. Wow, look at it go. Man.
Yeah, and it's throwing huge pieces across the street of burning material.
Yeah, they're evacuating. They
Yeah.
didn't ask you to leave. They can't lawfully make you do that.
Yeah. The cell phone tower's down, or one of the cell towers are down, or something, or a crane.
Oh, good one. Hey.
That thing's spreading.
Is that a fire truck ladder? in
Yeah,
there?
yeah.
Oh my.
He's on the windward side.
Yeah, he better get out of there. Ah. Hey. Look at him. Ah. Yeah, there's a fire alarm here, buddy.
Oh, he's definitely going up.
Hey, you guys gotta evacuate.
Yeah. Yeah, this is my place of business. I gotta be here with my fire extinguishers in case any of this fuel
I
goes
understand.
up.
You gotta go. Close the door.
Yeah, I
gotta
can't
go.
just close the door and leave
Okay.
everything.
All right. Let's close
Yeah.
the door. Let's go. We gotta close down, man. Listen.